Hey guys, welcome back to HM Advisor. Today, we're taking a closer look at Slim Tide, a supplement that has been heavily promoted online for weight management and appetite support. The marketing looks very convincing at first, but let's break things down carefully before jumping to conclusions. The website presents Slim Tide as a natural solution designed to support weight loss and reduce cravings. The branding appears professional, and the promotional claims are clearly made to attract attention quickly. However, one important thing to remember is that strong advertising does not always mean strong scientific proof. Many online wellness products use emotional success stories and dramatic transformations to build trust, even when long-term evidence is limited. Another concern is the lack of widespread independent discussion around Slim Tide compared to more established supplement brands. That doesn't automatically mean the product is fake, but newer products usually come with more uncertainty because there are fewer long-term customer experiences available online. Buyers should also pay close attention to refund policies, subscription terms, and customer support quality before ordering. These are often the areas where complaints appear if customers run into problems like delayed shipping or refund issues. To be fair, some ingredients commonly found in weight management supplements do have research behind them individually. But that still does not guarantee dramatic results for every person. Healthy habits, proper nutrition, and consistency always play the biggest role. So what's the final takeaway? Slim Tide may not necessarily be a scam, but it's definitely a product that deserves careful research before purchasing. Keep realistic expectations, read the terms carefully, and avoid believing exaggerated marketing promises too quickly.